With the political mercury rising in West Bengal ahead of the assembly polls, the bitter rivalry among parties is being played out not just through war of words but also through colorful jingles and slogans. Among them, one that has particularly captured the imagination across the political spectrum is the slogan Khela Hobe. Over the last few days, Trinamool Congress as well as BJP leaders across the state have been raising the Khela Hobe slogan, and there have been viral videos of the politicians dancing to its tune. In his latest visit to the state, even BJP leader Rajnath Singh could not stop himself by referring to the popular slogan.
इसलिए बहनों भाइयों, मैं आप सबसे यही कहना चाहता हूं कि ममता दीदी कह रही हैं बंगाल में खेला होबे, कहती है ना बंगाल में खेला होबे, लेकिन ममता दीदी मैं कहना चाहता हूं खेला होबे निश्चय होबे। और अब तो बंगाल में बोडो खेला होबे। ऐ खेला विकास का खेला होबे, ऐ खेला शांति का खेला होबे। चलेगा? अरे चलेगा ना ही, पीछे से लोग भी हाथ उठा के बताइए दौड़ेगा कि चलेगा? दौड़े। ममता दीदी बंगाल में आई दादागिरी चोलबे ना, चोलबे ना। यही समय परिवर्तनों समय आछे, परिवर्तनों समय अच्छे। आप लोग जो खड़े हैं ये सही है, परिवर्तनों अच्छे या नहीं है? परिवर्तन करिए, परिवर्तन करिए। और आप मेरी बातों से सहमत होंगे तो एक बार तालियां बजाकर मुझे विश्वास भरोसा भी दिला दीजिए।
At a recent event, even Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee referred to the slogan.
একটাই 21-এ খেলা হবে, আমি থাকবো গোলরক্ষক। এই খেলাতে কারাই হারে আর কারা জেতে এটা আমি দেখতে চাই। আর তাতে যদি আমায় সেদিন জেলেও পাঠিয়ে দেয়, আমি জেল থেকে ডাক দেবো বঙ্গবন্ধুর মতো জয় বাংলা, জয় বাংলা, জয় বাংলা, জয় হিন্দ, জয় হিন্দ, জয় হিন্দ, বন্দে মাতরম। হারতে আমরা শিখিনি, আমরা হারবো না।
Simply translated as "the game is on," the song written and sung by TMC spokesperson and youth leader Debanshu Bhattacharya has not only been played in political rallies in Bengal but also in weddings and parties. A DJ version of the song on YouTube has almost 7 million views, and multiple videos from TMC rallies can be seen on social media where people are dancing to the tune of Khela Hobe. TMC leaders across the state are using this slogan in political meetings and rallies to throw a direct challenge to the BJP ahead of the polls. The opening lines of the song plays up the insider-outsider theme, one of the hot topics of the debate in Bengal ahead of the polls, and accuses the BJP of being bargis who come on periodic political expeditions to the state. বাইরে থেকে বার্গি আসে নিয়ম করে প্রতি মাসে, আমিও আছি তুমিও রবে বন্ধু এবার খেলা হবে. Bargis come from outside and visit the state every month, but you and I remain here. Friend, the game is on. The song then goes on to accuse the BJP of poaching leaders from TMC, outlines the schemes of the Bengal government such as Kanyashri Prakalpa and Swasth Sathi, and asserts that West Bengal cannot be turned into Uttar Pradesh or Bihar. The song also touches upon the rising prices of essential commodities and growing instances of religious polarization. Since the slogan became so popular, TMC has been using it everywhere, from meetings to rallies to wall graffiti as their political war cry. The BJP in return has also been using this slogan either to assert that they have accepted the challenge or to criticize TMC for its usage.
Hello everyone, HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.
The emerging backbone of India's economy are our startups. They represent India's youth. They represent India's aspirations. They represent India's hopes. They represent our fight against an insensitive bureaucracy, against an insensitive system. They represent the fight of our startup entrepreneurs against an indifferent system, against an insensitive banker, against challenges of dealing with the government, and against all the odds with which they started a startup. Every startup begins with a brilliant idea, a unique idea, an idea which nobody else thought of, and that becomes a business enterprise. We are starting our next episode series on what we call Startup Stories. It is our curiosity to know what was that idea, what was the motivation, what was the determination because of which one talented entrepreneur, without any background of business perhaps, decided to venture out on his own and create a successful enterprise. These are the ideas that motivate us also. If you have a startup story which is interesting, we would want to talk to you also. Come back to us with your own startup stories, and you might also be the person we would like to talk to.